Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
My name's Tyler Sasse. I'm a pipeline welder out of Pipeliners Local 798. Most pipeliners have 100 foot of ground lead and 100 foot of stinger lead. So that's 200 feet of lead that the electricity's got to flow through. So they need to be sized properly and they need to be in good quality to give you good electricity out there on the welding rod. And you want nice, tight, flat connections that are going to conduct electricity a lot better than anything that's corroded or isn't tight.
Okay, so we're out here in Appleton, Wisconsin, and we're going to hook some welding leads up, see what kind of voltage drop we got in them. We got a connection here, a little bit of corrosion. We're going to file on it, clean that up, make it nice and bright copper, and we're going to hook it onto the welding machine down here and check our voltage drop. Okay, what you see here is nice, bright, shiny copper. It's nice and flat. That's nice and tight. That'll have a really good connection that'll connect electricity really well.
String the leads out straight and as nice as you can. You put the welding machine in air arc mode, set it on 200 amps, and the machine will give you a readout of how much voltage drop that you're getting out of your welding leads and all your connections. And you want 4 volts or less. You get some smaller leads, they're a little easier to roll up, a little easier to roll out, and they're a little cheaper, but you're not getting the full benefits of that PipePro 400 that you would if you had the right proper leads. First thing I think is something's wrong with the welding machine, but bad welding leads is the most common problem that we see. They just get so used to running and gunning that it's just not welding right, and that's usually the last thing they check.